All right, Scott, got the newer one here, and motor runs good, but your linkage plate was missing a screw back here, and so all this was vibrating and popping around, and I noticed this was wiggling, so I was hoping that it was just this screw was loose, but the screw was tight. And what we have here is the head's actually broken, so it's just cracked. So I'm going to make a plate to bolt onto here and tie that all to right there, and then that will hold that without having to replace the head. And so we'll get that done. All right, Scott, we got it's 2010. We got that bracket all fixed up. It's nice and solid, not going anywhere. And I'll give you a start. I ain't started it in a couple hours. Let's see. All right, everything in there is happy. Got your pump all redone. Yeah, man, just waiting on some tubing to come in so I can redo all the water lines going in. Those were all has been messed up a little bit, but muffler's in good shape. That's one of my early mufflers. Usually I'd recommend people upgrade to my new stainless one, but that one doesn't appear to have really been used that much. So run it, and when it comes time for a new one, well, you can bolt that on yourself. So no need to jump the gun on that right yet. All right, well, hopefully get a river test on both of these next week.